never let go.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Today I am going to be upcycling this burlap wreath for my daughter. She just took it out of storage. She purchased this 2 years ago, and I will be upcycling it. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the ribbon and the leaves. As you can see, it's been in the sun, so it's faded a little bit. And the ribbon is attached using floor wire, so I'm just going to cut the ribbon and pull it through the floor wire. And this video is part of a collaboration. It's a fall thing, and it's being hosted by Cheryl's Place and Craft Today with Rita and what they have asked us to do is just to do anything of our choosing fall related. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So right here you see I've cut the ribbon. I'm going to remove the ribbon. Just pull it from under the floor wire. The burlap is still in pretty good condition. So this is it. So now I'm going to give the burlap a little fluffing, because as you can see it's been packed up, so it's kind of flattened. So over here on my channel, on Miss V's channel, I like to repurpose items in order to save money, because I don't see a point in buying a new wreath every season when you can just go get a few items from the Dollar Tree or whatever store and just upcycle the wreath. So this is the burlap. I'm going to take this ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It has the cute pumpkins on it. And I'm just going to wrap it around the wreath. To give it a little more decorative appeal. So I'm going to wrap it in a slanted design. And I'll use my hot glue to keep it in place. That's the design I'm forming right now. As you can see, the burlap is starting to fade. So after this year, we'll probably have to take the burlap off and just keep the wreath form and make her a new wreath. But it'll be good for 2019. So I'm gonna get my hot glue and glue this ribbon down. So I want to thank Rita and Cheryl for hosting this challenge. I'm always up for a good challenge, and I'll have both ladies' channel link in my description box, and I also have the playlist in the description box. But my battery cut off, and so later you'll see where I just added my faith sign in the middle.